You can expect a lot from the 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. This 7-passenger van will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.